so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No,
Oh,
no, no,
please.
It's never, ever, ever, ever,
That's a windshield in there from Germany, so you may want to be a little
no, no, no.
careful.
No, 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 no.
Just saying.
Never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No,
It's not the
no,
glass
no.
that's expensive, it's the damn shipping.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Right here, good or?
Look at it. Hold on. Oh, I have, first of all, I got insurance on this. I have to check to see if it's broken or not. How am I supposed to check it? Windshield removed. You can see here I got my inspection sticker and my Reggie and all that damage from the hailstorm. Crazy stuff. I got hit over there too. So I got to clean all that out. Got to see if I have something to patch that dashboard with, which would be nice before I put everything back together again. But that's not really the critical thing right now. So. Have it lined yet, so I'm going to do that very carefully. And then once I get it aligned, I can use these little blocks with strings that are on both sides and be able to pull the gasket up and around it. That's the idea. Anyways, we'll see how that goes. gasket was flexible enough. There we go. Oh crud, now I'm gonna get the blocks out. So you know, if you want to know what a 22 dollar piece of metal looks like, that's what it looks like. That goes right here in the center. There we go. Nice new windshield we can look out of. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? No giant cracks or anything. Thanks folks for watching. And now I get a dashboard that's also halfway decent. Tuning in about Gypsy, the RV companion.